JDCap26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies, and we broke open a kit here, Green Lantern and the robot, and we got all the parts here. I'm going to assemble it. I'll show it to you quick afterwards. Mainly we're going to go and show you how to paint it afterwards in another video. So I hope you watch that video, and I hope you rate, subscribe. So I'm going to do this for a little while, and I'll be back to show you. Alakazam. And he's together. Look at that. Got to do some seam work on him. But that's what he looks like together, the Green Lantern. He's got to be painted and masked off. So you'll see that in the next video when I paint this figure. It's not a very hard kit at all, really. I recommend this kit very much for a beginner. And thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Take care.